Well, it's amazing that my little piece of skin can be further divided into smaller, very minute pieces that will give birth to greater knowledge, understanding, advancement in science. We are all interconnected as the human race. So I feel that it's my responsibility to contribute to the well-being of society.
The African Cell Initiative is a collaborative effort to try and generate cell lines that represent African genetic diversity. It's really important that we are getting these cells from African donors specifically. And this is because they harbor unique genetic variants that are present uniquely in African populations. So from your skin biopsy, we are able to derive dermal fibroblasts from that. Those are just one of the cell types that are present in your skin. And we are then able to reprogram those cells into a stem cell-like state, which we call an induced pluripotent stem cell. In order for us to serve these populations with their unique genetics and rare variants, we need to test medicines that are going to be used for them against cell lines that represent their genetics. Therefore, by understanding how different drugs affect individuals who have diverse genetics, we are able to then sort of apply that knowledge to the whole world. It isn't just a solution for Africa, but it's a solution that can be extrapolated to even global north populations.
When it comes to certain illnesses and diseases, we're quite underrepresented. So I think it's quite important, and I do think that this little cell that I've donated will definitely go a long way in advancing medical research.
I think in 5 or 10 years, we hope to see fewer patients returning to the hospital because of the treatment failure, not because of the actual illness that brought them there in the first case. So the example here would be tamoxifen, which is a breast cancer medication. It is the sort of first-line breast cancer medication used for most populations. However, we have seen that there is a genotype sort of drug-response relationship with African women in particular. So what we hope to get from this project is that in future, we're able to test breast cancer medications in this context against cell lines that represent these African individuals or populations specifically.
The African Cell Initiative is a collaboration between the CSIR, the University of Dundee, the University of Cambridge, and the University of Nairobi. The University of Nairobi is one of our collaboration partners where we will be getting some donor samples from them. And a key part of this collaboration is to also do some technology transfer and knowledge exchange. Our goal is to make sure that the protocol that we set up in this lab is easily translated into other research limited facilities across Africa.
We cannot do science and good science in isolation. We need partnerships. We need global partners so that we can compare and contrast data, because they need also to understand our unique angle, our unique genetics, because as they're making interventions or discussing vaccines or other medications or molecules, they need to also be aware it's not one size fits all. This collaboration is also opening channels and ways for us to be able to employ techniques that we had already established in KAVI but not really utilized, to be able to understand our cell genetics and for the first time be able to possibly address some of our unique challenges and research questions and also medical conditions like never before. So this is a very important partnership that is opening up data for the first time in Kenya and possibly now.
The important thing about the African Cell Initiative is that it is African housed, African controlled, and African owned.